At PalmLeaf Massage and Wellness, we're transforming the way our clients live. We are a one-stop destination for holistic care, offering therapeutic massage, acupuncture, and chiropractic care. We use the latest science to give our clients the most effective treatments available so they can experience more natural healing and freedom from pain. Our founder, Ramon, has always been driven to make a positive impact on people's lives. As a massage therapist himself, Ramon began PalmLeaf with a vision to use clinical massage techniques to provide true relief from chronic pain, and handpicked a team of experienced practitioners who each share the same passion. Using their wide range of specialties, our team works in harmony to provide our clients with comprehensive pain relief. We treat the whole person, taking the time to understand each client's unique needs, address the root cause of their pain, and provide a supportive environment to create lasting change. And as a result, we've seen amazing transformations. At PalmLeaf, we never stop helping. We never stop learning. We never stop caring. Join us at PalmLeaf Massage and Wellness today.